Hi there, this is Gabe with GuideWiz. Today I'm going to show you an easy tutorial on how to remove a background of an image in Adobe Express. Now, unlike Canva, you can do this freely in Adobe Express. In Canva you have to pay for it. It is a paid feature, but here you can do it for free. So let's get started. We will create a new project. It doesn't matter the size, I will just make a square one. We want to add an image. It doesn't really matter what image. Let's go for this one. And we'll just have to select it and then choose this option. It will take a short moment, and there you have it. It removed the background just like that. Obviously it is not perfect, it's not Photoshop level. You can see the hair is not perfectly done. You can see here we have some background that was not removed. It was a little bit harder to compute this background, but for a free background removal, I think it does a pretty good job in a short amount of time. So there you have it. If you found this video useful, please like the video and subscribe for more.